Take a ride in the 2019 Sonata Hybrid. This all-new hybrid has all the style and premiums you expect in a Sonata, along with 37 city, 39 highway miles per gallon. And unlike other hybrids on the market, it uses a breakthrough lithium polymer battery pack, which runs cooler, lighter, and is shapeable for optimum packaging. More power, less fuel, no guilt, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, compass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.